Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge AS Level Information Technology Paper 2 May-June 2023. I'm going to solve the sound editing task. The first task, which is the database, is already done. You can find the link in the description. So sound editing starts from step 3. Open the file J23 clip1.mp3. I'm using Audacity software to do the editing. So these are the files. First we have to open J23 clip1. So just drag the file here. Add reverberation to the clip. So we have to apply the reverb effect. Go to effect. You can see reverb. Now we are going to produce this audio clip to advertise the company on the radio. So for reverb option, many presets are available. You can click on manage factory presets. These are the reverbs available in the software. You can choose for radio vocal 1 or vocal 2 would be good enough. So you can choose any one from here, and after choosing, I have chosen vocal 1. You can click on preview and hear the sound effect. So give OK. So the reverb effect is applied. Amplify the sound to the maximum volume without the verb form being clipped. So go to effect again. You have amplify option. So don't allow clipping here, and we need to move the slider until the OK button becomes inactive. That is the maximum amplifying level. So I'll just move it like this. So you can keep it here and then give OK. So it is amplified to the maximum level. Apply noise reduction to the clip. So if you play the clip, you can see that there is some background noise at these locations. These locations we have some background noise. So this has to be reduced. So we can use the noise reduction effect. So noise reduction is a two-step procedure. You need to select a part of the noise so that the system can analyze what noise has to be reduced. So I have selected this part. Now click on effect. You can see noise reduction. So now you have to click on get noise profile, so the system knows what should be removed. Get noise profile. So that is done. Now you can select the complete file, press Ctrl A, go to effect again and then noise reduction. So to reduce the noise, you can increase the decibel here, noise reduction. Now it's 12. If you want, you can increase a little bit. After increasing, check the preview. You can hear the voice. So if it is fine, you can keep this value, give OK. So this is how we do noise reduction. Export the clip in .mp3 format as 2.3 clip 1 followed by your center number and candidate number. So let's export this file. Export audio. It should be mp3. So we need to export as 2.3 clip 1. Followed by your center number and candidate number. Make sure it is mp3. Save. Open the file J23 clip2.mp3. So let's close this. Now drag the file J23 clip2. Split the clip at 6.8 seconds. Do not edit the first 6.8 seconds. So just zoom in a little bit so that we get the correct position. So this is 6.8. the selection is at 6.8. Now we have to split this. For splitting, go to the option Edit. You can see clip boundaries in that split. Now you can see it is split into 2 clips. Move the audio from 6.8 seconds onwards so that it starts at 8.25 seconds. So this clip has to start from 8.25. So I use the time shift tool. This is the time shift tool. Click on it. You can move this. It should start from 8.25. So this point. Yeah, this is 8.25. The clip between 6.8 and 8.25 must be silent. So you can select this part, go to generate, you can add silence here. Give OK. Add the stereo clip exported in step 3 to your editor. So this is the clip which we exported. Drag it here. Mix both tracks down from stereo to mono. So you can select this first and then go to tracks, stereo track to mono. The second clip, tracks, stereo track to mono. Set the mono track from step 3 as the left channel and the other voice clip as the right channel of the stereo output. So this is the one which we exported in step 3. So you can click here. You have to set it as left channel and the other one should be the right channel. Export the clip in .mp3 format as J23 sound followed by your center number, candidate number. So let's export. The file name is J23 sound followed by your center number and candidate number. Make sure it is MP3 file. Save. So this is the end of sound editing task. Thank you for now.